My name is Emily Campbell. I'm principal of Heartland Elementary, and welcome to our open house tonight. We have many different vendors that are here tonight to offer information to our parents, various therapists, community vendors that are here tonight, as well as Girl Scouts and Taekwondo studio that's here tonight, in addition to our PTO, as well as our bus transportation. So parents need information about that, they can stop off at our cafeteria or gym to get information about that tonight. We're very excited about our school year this year. We have some new staff members in addition to a new counselor. So we will be rolling out some new programs this year. One of those is the Sanford Harmony social and emotional programs to help our students learning how to deal with some of their emotions in appropriate ways and building school community. So we're very excited about that program. It will blend very well with our Energy Bus initiative that we also have here at Heartland Elementary. So we're very excited about that this year and just the various programs that we hope to continue here at Heartland Elementary. So we hope you enjoy looking around our school this evening. Thank you. So something new that we wanted to implement here at Heartland Elementary this year to help students with their social and emotional learning was a calming room. And so we were able to have some awesome students from John Hardin paint this beautiful mural for us. And we're going to help students when they need to have a little break and just calm down and relax and talk through their emotions. We're going to be able to bring them in here and help them through that process.
Hello, my name is Lauren Heath. I'm the new counselor at Heartland Elementary. I'm very excited for the upcoming school year and look forward to working with your students. If you have parents, if you have any questions or need to reach me, feel free to contact me at the school, or we have new QR codes that you can access online.
Okay.
Hello, I am Rebecca Powell with Heartland Elementary PTO. A little bit about us. We have 5 officers that help out organize everything for the school, functions, and basically we just help raise money to support teachers in the school and their needs. So right now we are working on building a shade structure in the playground. Paying for that and getting that up in the next month, and a lot of our money goes for different things around the school. We pay for awards, we help out with Red Ribbon Weeks, we help out with different ceremonies, assemblies, and just fall festivals. And one of the other things that we're really working hard for this year is to earn money for a Chrome cart to just get more computers in the classrooms and help out the teachers. If anybody is looking for more information, we are always looking for help, help decorating, help just here and there in the school. If you're looking for more information, the best way is to like our Facebook page, Heartland Elementary PTO, and contact us through there, or you can always call the school office and just leave a message for the PTO and they will get it to us. So all the help is appreciated. So as fun as all those fundraisers are, they are for a good cause, and they really, really help us out, because we also help supplement school supplies and different things that the teachers need that just we can't cover, or parents can't cover, and the school can't cover. So we're here to just come and support.
Hi, my name is Rita McMillan. I am the Family Resource Coordinator here at Heartland Elementary, and we're here tonight for our open house. I am set up to talk with our families and let them know what kind of services we have to meet their needs. Our main focus is the child in the classroom. We like to remove any barriers to their learning and their performance in the classroom. That might include making sure they have food for the weekend, making sure they're getting enough sleep, coming to school on time. If they need any kind of help with mental health or just extra support, that's what we're here for. We can connect our families to various community partners for any services that we feel might be helpful. So this year we're super excited. We're going to have our Watchdog program again for our dads. We like to have them come into the school at least one day out of the year, but a lot of them come multiple times throughout the year, just to have a positive male presence in our classrooms. We have a lot of dads who are great with that program, and the kids love it. They're our rock stars. We're also going to be doing a Frisky district-wide girls conference, girl power conference, and a boys conference. We're excited about that. We'll be working together. All the schools in Hardin County will be working together to make that happen. We're also going to offer a cyberbullying education here at Heartland this year. That's something new. We're really excited about that because I think it's definitely a concern we need to address. Also, just school supplies, I'm here if you need that. The backpack program, we have a food share program. The list is endless. So if you have any questions or any needs, of course, you can look for our postings on our Heartland Elementary Facebook page, or you can reach me at 270-769-8945.
Hi, I'm Shannon Kallenberg. I'm the cafeteria manager here at Heartland. This year we have free breakfast and free lunch. If you would like to come join your child for lunch, the cost for lunch is $3.75. If you have any questions, you may go to the Hardin County website, where you can also find a copy of our breakfast and lunch menu. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mr. Rice. I'm a driver out of Heartland Elementary School. I drive bus 1485, and we're going to have a short video on how to make sure which bus your child gets on, the times of pickup and the times of drop-off.
Hello, my name is Chris Corder. I'm the Director of Transportation for Hardin County Schools, and today I'm here to show you a program called Info Finder I, which greatly assists parents in finding the bus information if you're new to the area or are just curious of your transportation requests for the year before you go to open house. So you can access this by the Hardin County webpage, and I'm going to walk you through it right here today. So when you come to our Hardin County webpage, you want to go over to the Quick Links button and scroll down to the bus routing information and click there. This will bring up the Info Finder program, where you will be able to access your students' transportation information for the year. So we'll put in an address. You'll put in your address up in the top left-hand box and your zip code in the right box and hit search. This brings us to an address where, let's say you're new to the area and there's not a student living at the address. This will allow you to see what schools service your particular address. So this is an address in Elizabethtown that's serviced by GC Burkhead, East Hardin, and Central Hardin. At this point, you will be able to see, it will give you start times and stop times for each school, and you can call the school or go when you enroll your student, and they will be able to give you more accurate transportation information. If we move on and enter another address, this address will actually has students enrolled, and the information given here, it gives you the pickup time of 7:36 a.m. This is for a Central Hardin student, and the address, it's actually an intersection, so it may not always be your driveway that we're going to pick your student up at, but this is at the corner of two streets. The bus will be there at 7:36, and in the afternoon students will be dropped off there at 4:29. It also gives the information for East Hardin and GC Burkhead, as these are the schools that service this address. Just as another example, in the northern end of the county, we'll type in a different address. And as you see, again, same information, the pickup, drop-off times, the schools that service the area, and it makes parents' lives a lot easier. The great thing about this Info Finder also that it feeds directly with our routing software, so we're able to make changes instantly. The changes are done live. The minute they're changed in the routing software, they will show up on this Info Finder software. As always, be patient. Bus routing changes, especially the first 2 or 3 weeks of school, because of new enrollments. We don't want overcrowded buses, things of that nature. And as always, you can contact the Transportation Department at 270-769-8890. Thank you. Glad to share this with you today. Have a great day.
Parents, if you need additional information about the things that you see tonight at Heartland Elementary, feel free to contact our school office, as well as look at our school Facebook page, as well as our web page. Thank you very much.